Okay, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I am back again. I just finished filming this look. And if you want to know how I make this look, I'll put the link down below in the description box, so just check on it. And then now we are going to make a new video. It's not a makeup video, it is a video about curling your hair. Some of you asked me on how do I curl my hair and what product am I using to curl my hair. You will know it right now. So if you want to know how I curl my hair, just keep on watching. So before I start, I will just tell you the things that I use for me to curl my hair. So these are the things. It's either hair straightener or curling one. Meron ng curling one kaso nasa kabilang kwarto. So this is what I'm using because this is much more easier to use. So this one is from Philips. This one is their flat iron, and then the good thing about this is meron silang rotating thingy dito kasi before, di ba, yung hindi pa uso yung ganito pag nagpa-plancha ka or nagka-curl ka, so parang naiikot yung mga cord. So this one, with this, hindi matatanggal yung cord. And then another thing, if you want to use gloves, you can do so, but I don't have gloves. And then you should also get a clang-clang or ipit or any rubber bands if you have. I cannot find my rubber band, but I was using a while ago. So anyway, I'll just use this. So the first thing I am going to do is I am going to use my clang-clang. Ayan, ganyan. And then, magtitira ko ng hair dito. So, I usually start here below. And then I'm going to get my curling iron. I'm going to get my... I'm going to get my hair straightener. Clip your hair together. Clip on yung hair nyo dyan. Then, slide down nyo siya. And then, kapag malapit na kayo sa dulo, twist it again. Sobrang bilis lang yung gawin, guys. And it's so easy. Ayan na, meron na. And after that, ito namang kabila. Actually, pwedeng palabas like this, palabas or paloob. But for now, I'm gonna make it palabas. So, outwards. And then, twist it hanggang yung hair mapunta dito sa kabila. Ayan. Then, slide down. And as you slide down, you can twist it again. Okay lang kung ganyan pa rin siya. We're gonna fix it later. Then, next is yung hair natin. Kukuha ulit tayo dyan. Then, yung ibang part, clamp ulit natin. Clamp pala yung tawag sa iba. Ayun, naalala ko, clamp pala. So, like what I said a while ago, pwede mo siyang i-twist sa different direction. Like this one, it can be outwards. Pwedeng outwards. Slide it down. Then, kapag malapit na kayo sa baba, twist nyo ulit. Ayan. Then, after that, you can get the remaining hair. It can be inwards as well. Pakita ko pa ni inwards. Ayan, paikot na ganyan paloob. Then, ayun, hanggang mapunta sa kabila yung natitirang hair. Ayan. Slide it down. Pag malapit na kayo sa baba, sa pinaka-end, twist nyo ulit. Ayan, so, meron siyang paloob din palabas. You can do it para mas maging maganda yung volume ng hair nyo. Mas volumize. That's the term. And then, I want it to be outwards. There. Next, if you're done with that, get another bunch of hair. Then, clang or clamp mo yung other side. And then, sobrang bilis lang. Hindi mo siya kailangan patagalin sa hair mo kasi ayun nga, mabilis lang siyang gawin. This one, I want it outwards. If you want yung mga nasa loob na hair, pwede mo siyang inwards. And then yung mga nasa labas, outwards, para mas maging volumize yung hair mo. This one, outwards, inwards, and outwards. para palabas siya sa face mo, di ba? Para mas lalo makita yung face mo. Yung sa unahan, mas maganda maging outward siya. I'll show you what I'm saying. Twist it again. So, ayan. So, yan na siya. This side is done. Now, we'll go to this side. Then, this is the last one. So, this one, it should be outwards like what I said. Kasi nga, ayan palabas siya. Kasi nga, doon siya sa pinaka-unahan ng fez. Slide it down. Twist it. Hold it. Yeah. So, ito na siya. Natapos natin siya ng napakabilis. So, sobrang dali lang. So, what you can do now is, pwede mo siyang pag-iwahiwalay. Alright. So, this is how it looks like. So, sobrang dali lang niyang gawin. Kung gusto niyo medyo volumize yung hair niyo, pwede niyo siyang suklayin using your fingers. Then, if you want your curls to stay longer, I mean the whole day, you can use any hairspray. Pero make sure na ano siya ha, mega strong or strong hold. And then after that, if you want your curl like this, just leave it like this. And you can also use clips if you want. So, pwede mo siyang stylan. So, ayan. Pwede siyang stylan ng ganyan. Ganun lang siya kadali. Hair straightener is not just for straightening your hair, but it is also for curling your hair. Remember that. So that's the end of our video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe in my channel. And don't forget to follow me in my social media accounts. For Instagram, it's patspolly. And for Facebook, it's Patricia Elise Policarpio Berame. So that's the end. And hopefully see you again in my next video. Bye!